Let's be honest, folks. We all want financial freedom. We dream of a life without money worries, a life where we call the shots. But here's the million-dollar question. If everyone wants to be rich, why do so few actually achieve it? The answer is simpler than you think. It's not about luck, intelligence, or even a high income. It's about mindset. You see, most people are stuck in a cycle of bad financial habits. They live paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and never learning how to truly manage their money. They fall prey to the "I'll save later" mentality, but later never comes. But you know what? It doesn't have to be this way. You have the power to break free from this cycle and build a life of financial security. It starts by recognizing that wealth isn't a pipe dream. It's a choice. It's about taking control of your finances, making smart decisions, and building a solid foundation for the future. It's about understanding that financial freedom is within your reach, no matter where you're starting from. Are you ready to make that choice? One of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom is the mountain of misinformation out there. We're bombarded with myths about money that keep us trapped in a cycle of debt and financial struggle. It's time to bust these myths wide open and expose the truth about building wealth. Myth number 1. You need a lot of money to start investing. Wrong. You don't need to be rolling in dough to start growing your wealth. There are plenty of investment options available for even the smallest budgets. Myth number 2. Debt is a necessary evil. Not true. Debt is a dangerous trap that keeps you financially shackled. It's time to break free from the debt cycle and experience true financial freedom. Myth number 3. Budgeting is restrictive and no fun. Absolutely not. Budgeting is about taking control of your money and making it work for you. It's about aligning your spending with your values and achieving your financial goals. It's time to ditch these harmful money myths and embrace the truth about building wealth. Financial freedom is within your reach, but you need the right information and the right mindset to get there. You might be thinking, how can I possibly save when I'm barely scraping by? Listen, I get it. Saving money can feel impossible when every dollar is already spoken for. But here's the secret. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Start by tracking your spending for a month. You'll be surprised where your money is actually going. Then, identify areas where you can cut back. Even small changes can add up to big savings over time. Pack your lunch instead of eating out. Ditch the expensive cable package and opt for streaming services. Shop around for better deals on insurance and utilities. Remember, saving is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making conscious choices every day to prioritize your financial future. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, it's a step in the right direction. The key is to start somewhere and stay consistent. Once you've mastered the art of saving, it's time to put your money to work for you. Investing might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to start simple and gradually build your knowledge. One of the easiest and most accessible ways to start investing is through low-cost index funds. These funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, spreading your risk and maximizing your potential returns. Another option is to explore real estate investing. Owning rental properties can provide you with passive income and long-term appreciation. Remember, investing is a long game. Don't get caught up in trying to time the market or chase the latest hot stock. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. And remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any major investment decisions. The debt dragons slay it before it slays you. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. It's a heavy weight that drags you down and prevents you from achieving your financial goals. But the good news is that you can slay this dragon and reclaim your financial independence. The first step is to stop digging yourself deeper into debt. Avoid taking on new debt and commit to living below your means. Next, create a budget and prioritize debt repayment. Consider using the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off your smallest debts first to gain momentum and motivation. As you pay off your debts, you'll free up more money to save and invest. You'll also experience a sense of relief and accomplishment that comes with taking control of your finances. Remember, becoming debt-free is possible, no matter how much you owe. It takes commitment, discipline, and a willingness to change your financial habits. Side hustle power. Pad your pockets and fuel your dreams. Want to supercharge your journey to financial freedom? Consider starting a side hustle. A side hustle is a great way to earn extra income, explore your passions, and gain valuable skills. The best part is that there are endless possibilities when it comes to choosing a side hustle. You could start a blog, offer freelance services, sell handmade goods online, or even drive for a ride-sharing service. The key is to find something you enjoy and that fits into your schedule. Not only can a side hustle boost your income, but it can also provide you with a sense of purpose and fulfillment outside of your day job. Imagine the possibilities. You could use your side hustle income to pay off debt faster, invest in your future, or even pursue your dream career. The sky's the limit. So what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and start building the life you deserve. The power of community. You're not alone in this fight. The journey to financial freedom can feel lonely at times, but it doesn't have to be. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide you with the support, motivation, and accountability you need to stay on track. Join online forums, attend local workshops, or even start a money-saving challenge with friends. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and successes with others can help you stay motivated and inspired on your financial journey. Remember, you're not alone in this fight. There are countless others who are striving for financial freedom, and by connecting with them, you can learn from their experiences, share resources, and build a supportive community that will empower you to achieve your goals. Building a future. Why financial freedom matters. Financial freedom isn't just about having a lot of money. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. It's about spending your time doing what you love with the people you care about, without being chained to a job you hate. Imagine being able to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply spend more time with your family. Financial freedom gives you the power to design a life you love, free from financial worry and uncertainty. It's about leaving a legacy for your children and future generations. It's about breaking free from the cycle of debt and financial struggle and creating a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Taking control. It's time to write your own story. You have the power to change your financial destiny. You are not defined by your past financial mistakes or your current circumstances. It's time to take control of your finances and start building the life you've always dreamed of. It starts with a decision to break free from the status quo, challenge the norm, and embrace a different path. It's about taking ownership of your financial future and refusing to settle for anything less than you deserve. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. There will be challenges along the way, but with each step you take, you'll be one step closer to achieving your goals. Join the movement. Let's build wealth together. You're not alone in this journey. Thousands of people just like you are taking control of their finances and building a brighter future. Join the movement and let's support each other every step of the way. Share your story, connect with others, and celebrate your successes. Together, we can break down the barriers of financial illiteracy and create a world where everyone has the opportunity to achieve financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is contagious. By sharing your knowledge and inspiring others, you're not only changing your own life, but you're also making a difference in the lives of others. Ready to dive in? Take action now. Don't wait another day to start your journey to financial freedom. The time is now. Enter the link below in the description to access resources and tools that will help you achieve your financial goals. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on building wealth and living a life of financial freedom. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today.